Hey guys, welcome back. If you are looking for the best garden boots, here is a list you must see. We made this list based on our personal preference and sorted it based on their features, prices, quality, durability, and reputation of the manufacturers. Also, we have included options for every type of customers. To know more about these products, please be sure to check out the description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Crocs Unisex Adult Classic Clog. After testing these shoes, the team truly figured out what the hype around Crocs was all about. The lightweight material and pleasant feel didn't rub or feel tight on achy feet. Despite the airy construction, the Crocs held up well outdoors, and testers didn't feel or notice tough materials like rocks or mulch underfoot. These Crocs became the go-to gardening shoes for hot summer months during testing, especially when clunky boots seemed unbearable. While there is some obvious wear on the soles after 6 months of use, the shoes are still in great condition, and reviewers appreciate how easy they are to rinse off. Testers found that most Crocs are super easy to hose off, preventing odor retention, and the perforated toe box ensures feet stay cool on warm days. Since the brand doesn't offer half sizes, sizing up a half size provided a comfortably loose fit. The shoes are expensive given their construction, but buying them on sale is a smart choice. Number 2. Sloggers Rain and Garden Shoes. The shoes received a perfect score for their quality, and the brand's all-day comfort soles were appreciated for being solid yet flexible, contributing to an overall high-quality feel. It's worth noting that these shoes don't come in half sizes. However, a half-sizer insole is included to help achieve a better fit. In terms of comfort, the shoes don't provide much arch support. That said, feet didn't feel sore after 30 minutes of wear, and the cushioning felt sufficient. Due to the closed-toe style, color, and material, the shoes began to feel hot after some time in the sun. They also felt more comfortable when worn with socks, suggesting they may be better suited for cooler gardening conditions. The design earned a perfect score for its tulip pattern and glossy finish. The snug fit helped keep water out while hosing, and a small tab on the heel made them easier to remove. A slight noise was noticed when walking without socks. Number 3. Crocs Specialist Work Clogs. Keeping up with a garden can be time-consuming, and even small time savers like having a reliable pair of slip-on gardening shoes can make a big difference. This pair of Crocs proved incredibly easy to slip on, both with and without using the back strap. They provided solid traction on both wet and dry surfaces, and the plastic material was easy to clean using a garden hose or damp rag. These Crocs offered good support and remained comfortable whether worn with or without socks even during 6 hours of continuous wear. Feet stayed sweat-free, and the shoes provided great protection while weeding and working in the garden. They're also ideal for quick errands like running to the nursery for more plants or soil. It's worth noting that the brand advises against leaving these shoes in direct sunlight or exposing them to heat, as this can cause them to shrink. Wearing them outdoors is fine, but they shouldn't be left outside for long periods. Number 4. Joules Welly Rain Boot. When tackling tough landscaping or gardening tasks, having a taller boot can make a big difference by protecting both feet and lower legs. These waterproof boots from Joules reach about mid-calf and feature a rubber exterior and sole that keep toes dry. The groove sole provides solid traction, and the boots stay securely on during wear. For those between sizes, sizing down is recommended, as the fit runs slightly roomy. Though the boots don't offer much in terms of arch support, they're sturdy without being too stiff and more flexible than typical rain boots. The interior lining adds a softer feel against feet and calves, though wearing socks makes them more comfortable than going barefoot. One downside is the lack of breathability, which can cause feet to feel hot on warmer days. Still, they're ideal for cooler or rainy weather, and the rubber material is easy to clean. Number 5. Evercreatures Rain Ankle Boot. The clunky feel of traditional rain boots is all too familiar, which makes this pair of wellies a pleasant surprise. Hitting just above the ankle and offering a less bulky design than many competitors, they turned out to be some of the most comfortable wellies tested. Available in a variety of solids and playful patterns like plaids and polka dots, they pair well with both shorts and pants. Much like the best overall pick, they're stylish enough for a quick trip to the store as well. These boots feature a deep tread for added grip and truly live up to their waterproof claims. Multiple hose tests proved their ability to keep feet dry. They also held up while using a rotary cultivator in thick mud, providing reliable protection. The soft, 100% cotton lining feels great, though it may be difficult to clean if odors or stains develop. That's all for today. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to our channel. For more information or to check out product prices, take a look at the description below. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave a comment.